Hey everyone, long time no see. When you're fostering, things don't always go as planned. Anyway, I have a young lady that's actually transitioning home. It's been a bit up and down, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So this journal spread that I'm about to do is, in honour of her. It's a message. I know sometimes that she likes to sit and watch the videos. So this message is very much for her and for everybody else that's like, oh, really? So let's go. I will speed some of this up simply because it's, I've been practicing my lettering and I'm not the quickest. So I'm going to start with a quote. Right, so we have a quote. May you never forget how far you have come and the miles it took to get to this place. It's, she's come a long way as this particular young lady, so this is a celebration of her time. Right, serious stuff over. Let's decorate. So I have loads of stickers. I've been making stickers up because my other young lady, we have been at home for a week or so. So I have a cricket. It's spelled cricket. So we've been making stickers up. I have actually listed a load on my Etsy shop if you're interested. So I thought they actually might be nice for this. Now I wanted something bright, something cheerful. Oh no, let's go for this bit. Because although it's quite a sad time for me personally, because you miss these kids, but by the same token, it's a brilliant. I want it to be a brilliant time for her. So, what are we thinking? Maybe that's too big. Oh, I quite like that. Let's trim that bit down a bit. I hope you're all stopping safe at the moment with all this madness that's going on in the world. Ink printing. What else do you do when you get bored? You print with ink. I print with ink. That might actually go all right with that. Tear some up. Bottom bit. Well, I quite like that actually. Maybe that. There we go. I will, I think, just use a Pritt stick for these. No, definitely there. And I have got a whole heap of washi tapes out as well to have a play with. I think that I have so many bits now. That. And just a normal Pritt stick. Right. I quite like that, but that needs something in there. What have we got? So, there we have it. There is my tribute to my young lady that's transitioning home. Enough of the heavy stuff. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's gone really dark all of a sudden. It's like, oh. It's quite almost monochromatic, isn't it? Oh, I need to trim the edges off there. I will do that. Right, you take care now. I hope you've enjoyed this and given you some ideas. Thanks very much for watching. Take care now. Bye.